The human brain, I mean, it's just bewilderingly complex, right? Holds the keys to so much. Neurological diseases, consciousness itself.
Absolutely. But, behind the brilliant science, there's something else just as vital, but often unseen.
Specialized logistics.
Exactly.
Yeah, today we're doing a deep dive into that, specifically the critical role of precision logistics in brain research.
Mhm.
We're drawing from the critical role of SMA Worldwide in brain collection and research, and our mission really is to unpack for you why this behind-the-scenes work isn't just helpful, it's a fundamental, the absolute bedrock for progress here.
It really is. We tend to focus on the scientists' eureka moments,
Yeah.
don't we? But think about it the practical side, getting those brain specimens delivered safely, securely, and on time. That's just as crucial.
Because the tissue is so fragile.
Incredibly perishable. I mean, any delay, any slight mishandling, it can compromise entire studies. We're talking every single minute counts. Without that perfect delivery chain, the science, it just can't happen.
That really drives home the sensitivity. And
Mhm.
it leads right into why this isn't just like delivering any other package. There are these huge challenges.
Mhm.
First, as you said, it's time critical. The tissue degrades so fast. Research quality demands arrival within these really tight windows.
Right. A late delivery isn't just an oops.
No,
Yeah.
it can mean wasted resources, delayed discoveries,
Yeah.
potentially years of work impacted.
Yeah.
Second, you've got strict regulatory compliance, just layers of oversight for ethical handling, safety, legal stuff.
Oh, absolutely. International rules, health and safety. It's a minefield.
It is. Logistics providers have to keep flawless chain of custody records.
Yeah.
That unbroken trail showing exactly who handled the specimen when, plus adhering to all the transport regs, IATA for air, ADR for road, WHO standards. It's a
A
lot.
huge burden of proof is needed.
Definitely. Third is maintaining specimen integrity. So
Mhm.
specialized temperature control, secure packaging, constant monitoring during the whole journey. From collection right to the lab bench,
Mm.
no contamination, no degradation.
The conditions have to be perfect.
Exactly. And finally, there's security and confidentiality. It goes beyond just the physical sample, protecting donor data, ensuring anonymity, guarding against any kind of breach.
Which brings up a key question, doesn't it? With stakes this high, how do organizations even navigate all this? It sounds like a logistical tightrope walk every single day.
It really does. One slip, and like you said, research is jeopardized.
Mm-hmm.
So our source mentions SMA Worldwide and how they specifically tackle these points. They use specialist handling protocols, think custom packaging designed just for brain tissue, real-time monitoring.
So you know where it is in its condition constantly.
Right. Plus, 247 operations for those time-critical deliveries, making sure they hit those tight windows. They're built around strict compliance with all those international regs we
And
mentioned.
the tracking, chain of custody.
Secure tracking systems, full chain of custody documentation gives researchers that complete peace of mind.
If we step back and look at the bigger picture, this combination, the tech, the operational precision, the human care involved, it directly fuels global medical research.
It's not just moving boxes.
Not at all. It's about speeding up research into Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, MSS. It supports vital mental health studies by getting researchers the tissue they need reliably.
And ethically.
And ethically, yes. By ensuring that compliance and integrity, they maintain that crucial trust between donors and research institutions. Without that trust, none of this works.
So what this really boils down to for you, the listener, is understanding that behind every breakthrough paper, every new treatment pathway for brain conditions, there's this incredibly meticulous logistical chain working perfectly.
It's the unseen foundation.
Truly.
Yeah.
The work that allows the future of medicine to actually happen.
So maybe a final thought to leave you with. Consider these seemingly behind-the-scenes functions, like specialist medical logistics. They aren't just support, they're foundational. They're what actually let us deliver tomorrow's discoveries today. What other critical, maybe overlooked support systems are out there in other fields, quietly making everything else possible? Something to think about.